with you.
Woman, I'm about to start cooking. Look, let me get something first. I gotta get my stuff together. Let's see what we got here. Yep, this will do. Yep, get this guy. Now we're ready to rock and roll. Now I can cook. Welcome back. Today I have a nice little treat for you. Now, you guys have seen me do hot pot, and I was asked if you could do anything else with the thinly sliced meat that I use for the hot pot, the shabu meat. And yes, you can, right? Today I'm making a stir-fried beef, right? There's green onions, ginger, carrots, the works. There's even some baby bok choy in there. We're gonna stir fry it up. We're gonna use some butter lettuce as a wrap, a little fried rice on the side. I know you're gonna enjoy this. Look at this. Look at this. This not nice? Oh yeah, to die for. To die for. But before I go, I'm gonna take a little bite here. Got a little wrap. This. Mmm. Mmm. Tender. The veggies are nice and crisp. Check this out. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Now we have about a pound of thinly sliced beef, right? Here we have our butter lettuce here. Here we have our baby bok choy, right? Toasted sesame seeds, you're gonna need that. And right here, we have about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, right? Here we have about 2 tablespoons of garlic butter, 1 tablespoon of ginger, it's been crushed, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper. We have about 4 stalks of green onions, that I've sliced diagonal, okay? We have about a half a cup of carrots that I've also sliced thinly in diagonal. We have a half a cup of beef broth, and here we have 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And I'm going to be combining the sauce in here to get it ready to cook. So now let's combine this sauce. Now to our oyster sauce, we're going to add the soy sauce. Okay. Our pepper. Salt. Rice vinegar. Our sugar. Our ginger. Right, that in there. And lastly, or well, not lastly, but in our cornstarch. Get that in there. And now we're going to add our beef broth. Okay. We're going to mix this up. And once we get it somewhat incorporated, we're going to put the lid on this, and then we're going to shake it up. And this is going to be our sauce for our stir fry. Put the lid on this bad boy. Shake them up. Alright, now this is ready to go. Let's get to cooking. Alright, our wok's heating up. Add some oil. First thing you want to do, we want to add our steak to it, our beef, our thinly sliced beef, our shabu beef, what I would normally use for a hot pot. Let's get this in. And we want to get this nice and brown. So let me grab a piece to show you. See, it will, let me grab another one. They unravel, you see? They unravel. I didn't unravel it. I'm just frying it like this. And as I cook it, they'll somewhat unravel. Alright, so let's let this go for a couple minutes. See, we're almost there. It's almost brown. Alright, so now at this point we want to take them out. Take them out and strain them into this bowl. Now let's get this wiped out, and then we're going to start the veggies. Alright, let's add some more oil here. About a tablespoon. And we're going to start working on the carrots. Start stir frying the carrots. Carrots in. We just want to stir fry this for like maybe 2 minutes. Because you want them to be just warm through. Right? You don't want them to be soft. You still want them to have a little crunch to them, but not too much crunch. Now we're going to add our garlic butter. Now let's add our bok choy. And our baby bok choy. There you go. Okay, let that baby bok choy wilt down. Give this about a minute or so. Now we're going to add our beef back to it. Give this about a minute. now let's add our sauce. There goes the sauce. That's right. Now we're going to add our green onions. Give this a quick, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. And we are done. Let's get this plated up. So here we have it. Our stir-fried shabu shabu thinly sliced beef, right? And with carrots, and it has green onions, you know, there's ginger, it has the works. You got a little fried rice here on the side, right? We have our butter lettuce, using that as a wrap. If you like this, give this a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hey, come on, join the Peanut Gallery, subscribe. If you can, share this out, and definitely hit me up on Instagram, right? I will always let you know what I got coming up next, so you're never left behind. That being said, this Shrashira, I am out, because look what I'm getting ready to eat.